So this is a laminar flow hood that we use for our cell cultures, the mammalian cell cultures. This one has a HEPA filter. It has a UV light to decontaminate. And with the particular airflow that it creates a sterile field behind the glass. So to utilize it, we will move the glass to a level that is appropriate. We don't want to open it all the way because it's going to break that barrier. We will always start off with using some alcohol to clean the space that we're working with. And we will also clean the glass with it. Anything that's going to go inside is going to get alcohol. So any media, any trypsin, anything that I'm going to use in there will get an alcohol spray just to make sure that it is free of contamination. And then we can clean the space before we use it. Now we leave the hood closed with UV light every now and then to make sure that it's decontaminated anyway. And we always clean before and after, so it should not be dirty anyway. But it's still a good practice to do alcohol spray before you start. And so now that I have cleaned my bottles, I can use them inside. Here are the cells that we are working with. I have 2 plates that only need a media change, and then I have 2 plates that need to be actually actively worked on. One of them is a highly confluent plate that I'm going to be splitting into multiple plates. And the second one is a culture of MDA 468 that is struggling. And I'm going to trypsinize and redistribute them in the same plate to allow them to grow better. Now, we also have an aspirator attached to it, to our hood, that is going to collect any liquid media or anything else that I'm going to use on the cells. And it's going to decontaminate it because it already has appropriate decontaminant in there. So it has some bleach, 10% bleach, as well as Conflict added to it already.